What's good, y'all, nigga, man? We're back at it again with another video. Yes, we're back with another video. And as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm bringing y'all how to crop all your hoodies, jerseys, tees, flannels, whatever you got. You know what I'm saying? I'm teaching y'all how to do that in this video. So y'all just stay tuned and we're gonna get straight into it. All right, y'all. So I know some of y'all might have a couple shirts, you know what I'm saying, or hoodies that you don't like how it fit on your body, you know what I'm saying, and you want that type crop look, you know what I'm saying, on your tees or on your hoodies, you feel what I'm saying? And I'm gonna teach y'all how to do that in this video, you know what I'm saying? I got a couple items that I have cropped myself, a couple tees, and I got a hoodie. In today's video, I'm gonna show y'all how I crop my flannel. I'm gonna just show y'all how they look right now. As y'all can see, I got this flannel. I got this from 2nd Street, you know what I'm saying? I just went there, checked out some of the stuff they had, and I seen this and I was like, I just like all the colors on there. I ain't gonna lie, it just stood out to me. It's just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to put it on for us. I'm about to put it on, show y'all how it look on body. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, it's mad. I like the sleeves on it. I like how the sleeves fit on me, but as y'all can see, this bit kind of long in here, a bit long in here, I ain't lying. You know what I'm saying? And that's something that I'm not rocking with. I ain't gonna lie. When I got it, when I was there, I tried it on. I knew this is exactly how I fit it. I was in the fitting room and I was like, man, I want this jump, but it don't fit. Which is something that most people, they have had the same problem, you know what I'm saying? They're like, they see a piece they like, they probably try it on, or they just know it don't fit in general, but they don't think of the fact that they could just crop it, or they could just cut the tee up, you know what I'm saying? Make it fit how they want to. Now me, with this flannel, and with like most of my shirts and items in general, I don't go past like my waistline, like, you know, I'll go like right a little bit above it, you know what I'm saying? So with this one, I'm gonna show y'all the whole process throughout this video. I'm probably gonna crop it like right here, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show y'all how I did it with some of the hoodies and the shirts I have in my closet. So let's get to that. All right, y'all, I got these two items. I'm just like, this is just two of them. I'm gonna show y'all, you know what I'm saying? It's a hoodie and a t-shirt I got. This first one, y'all say, if you watch me, you know what I'm saying? If you just watch some of my videos, you've seen this hoodie like probably multiple times. One of my favorite hoodies I got. It's from the brand Carpe Vest, you know what I'm saying? I got it a nice minute ago. And with this one, it was just mad beefy, and it came like right here, like, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, as y'all can see, I think when I got this, I should have got a medium, but I got a large. This same thing with my flannel I got. That's on a large as well. But as y'all can see, it's clearly two totally different things. And the main reason I crop some of my clothing is mainly for proportions and just the way how I fit on my body, you know what I'm saying? I really don't like my hoodies to be all the way down here, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like how they, you know what I'm saying? I don't like some of the hoodies, you feel what I'm saying? I like how I be like these, and it look like it's floating. You know what I'm saying? If that make much sense. And it's not stuck to my body like this t-shirt I got on. I don't really like that. Or I can say it look boxy. I like the boxy fit, you know what I'm saying? I just like how that fit on me. And I just like how it look. So this is one of the items, this hoodie, as y'all can see. I just like how it is when it is cropped. But when it is cropped. And I'm about to put on the t-shirt. And I'm gonna show y'all how that fit as well. Alright, y'all. As y'all can see, this is a tee I got. It was really a long ass time ago. You know what I'm saying? It was a while ago. I think I got it last year. Probably like the end of last year, beginning of this year. And it was just a little tee I got from it was Vans. It was from Vans. I went in there and got them little shoes, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all all know what shoes I'm talking about. But I got this tee, and when it comes to cropping my tees, the main reason I like them is for the fitting as well, because if y'all seen the last t-shirt I had on, like, it was like kind of like, you know what I'm saying? It wasn't as boxy. It's not boxy. It's as simple as that. You feel what I'm saying? So when it comes to cropping my tees, I like, the main thing I like is when the tee roll up. As y'all, if y'all can see, the tee is rolling up, and that's just something I really like when I do crop my tees, cause I just like how they fit, and it's as simple as that. But y'all, some of the things you will need in this video is really the only thing you need in this video, if we being truthfully honest, is a pair of scissors. But some people like to go to the extreme measures, or some people like to go to the extreme when it comes to cropping their tees or cropping their hoodies and all that, and get measuring boards and things of that nature, and other materials and things you can use for cropping all your items or all your hoodies, tees, shirts, whatever you want to call it, you know what I'm saying? So we finna head to Walmart, and I'm finna go to the section where y'all can find all the things you need to start, you know what I'm saying, cropping your shirts, cropping your jackets, and things of that nature. So you won't have to use or mess up some of the utensils you have in your crib. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get dressed and head to Walmart so I can show y'all what y'all need to get. YouTube. Alright, y'all, so right now we is at Walmart, and right now we are at the services, as y'all can see. what, even bigger of a detail cut fabric. The main reason you do want to come here because sometimes you like the regular scissors we use at the crib and shit don't work on all types of fabrics, and it wouldn't look as good and as crisp if you use one of these things I'm finna show y'all. As y'all can see, they got a multitude of scissors and stuff you can use. You see what I'm saying? And these are good for like, you gotta really read them, but like these are good for like the shirts we wear and the hoodies we use and the pants and all of that stuff to cut. Cause like I said, some of the scissors we use at the crib, they aren't good for fabric. They just good for like probably like cutting paper. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I think the one I got is this one. I got this one. I should have bought this one because it's just better for the handling and all that. But I got this one. It was only $5. So one of them was $2. As y'all can see, they got a seam ripper. And some people use these to cut theirs. I preferably didn't grab it because I don't know. I just didn't grab it. But yeah, I feel like this probably would be easier because you gotta roll it on there and put a little bit of pressure on there. And it would work. But y'all, as y'all can see, this is the section you need to come to if you are looking for stuff to cut. I've seen some people use this. This is exactly like what they use, this or this one with the little measuring board. And if you can't afford this, it's like $10, $11. If you can afford it, get it most definitely, because you're gonna use it, especially if you into clothes, and if you just into clothing and messing with your clothing and shit like that. See what I'm saying? But yeah, if you need something, come here, grab what you need. You know what I'm saying? The scissors, they got fabric. Well, and the Walmart I'm at, they got the fabric. I don't know about y'all Walmarts, but the one I'm at, they got the fabric and all the stuff you need if you want to really go into, you know what I'm saying, designing your own clothes or messing with your own clothes and shit like that. But y'all, main thing is get y'all a pair of these scissors, fabric scissors or fabric cutting scissors, whatever y'all want to call them. You know what I'm saying? Because this will be the best for cutting your material and cutting your fabric. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. Let's get into the rest of this video and let's get back to the crib. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, this is how it fit on me. You know what I'm saying? I ain't cropped it yet. This is how it fit on me. You know what I'm saying? Cooler. You know what I'm saying? Cooler flannel. You know what I'm saying? I haven't cropped it yet, like I just said, but this is how it fit. And I'm planning on like probably doing it like about right here, right along this line, right there. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, we got the flannel, we got the piece on a flat surface. You know what I'm saying? You will need to find a flat surface to do this because it will be the best. You know what I'm saying? You will get the best. You know what I'm saying? Cut. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. But with this, I would say you also need one more thing. Let me go get that jump. All right, another thing you will need is an iron. You know what I'm saying? If you want to, you can use an iron board as well, but you ain't really got to. All you really need is a flat surface and an iron. And the main reason the main reason we is using the iron to get it truly flat as we can, so we can get like the simplest cut. Like, you know what I'm saying? We can make the cut way easier for us. You feel what I'm saying? And as y'all seen in the last clip, I showed y'all how it looked on body. And when you seeing how it look on body and you seeing where you want to make the cut, make like a little dot. Let me show you. And if y'all can't see right here, I made like a little mark where I'm gonna be cutting it. You know what I'm saying? That's something y'all want to do as well when y'all is doing this, so y'all don't just really go in there as blind. You know what I'm saying? With this is way easier because as you see the flannel got a whole bunch of lines and stuff on it. It will make it cropping it way more easier because it do got all these lines on there and it makes the cut just simple. Alright, as I showed y'all, you know what I'm saying? But the first step when doing this, you know what I'm saying, grab all the stuff you need. If you is using one of the tools I showed you when we went to Walmart, it's probably, I don't think it's truly gonna be any different, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, grab all the stuff you need. I got my scissors over here, and right now I'm finna start off the iron, and then we gonna get straight into it. Alright, y'all, as y'all just saw, you know what I'm saying, I just finna iron this jump flat, you know what I'm saying? And now it's time to proceed to make the cut. As y'all can see, let me move all the stuff. See, as y'all can see, everything I use to make the little cut. As y'all can see, y'all can see the line. Oh. Y'all can't see. Dang, this jump mad. I got the jump on my tripod, y'all. This jump mad wobbly. As y'all can't see. Right the line. I put it right under the line because you really don't want to do it above the line. cause it's not gonna look how you wanted it to, or it's not gonna come out. It's gonna look too small. So you always want to go under where you originally want it to be. You know what I'm saying? Just so it can give it that real look. But y'all, I'm finna go ahead, put it on, show y'all how it look on body, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, did chop it up. And me personally, some people would, I ain't gonna lie, me personally, I like it, you know what I'm saying? Really, but not really, you know what I'm saying? If you see what I'm saying, I feel like I should did a little bit lower. Now, it matched up to what I said and where I wanted it at first, but it just didn't come out how I wanted it for real. Y'all should have seen when I first put it on and I didn't button it up. Like, it's just look way too small. To me, I'm not going for no crop top look. We not trying to be like do this, y'all.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
Probably make it still look clean, but it's like mad small, I'm not gonna lie. I think it's the shirt that make it look worse. Cause as y'all can see, this is where I wanted it to be at first. I just cut it a little too short, and that's what comes with trying to crop your clothing. But hey, let me know if y'all rock with it though. But we gonna get this a better light and show y'all how it look. Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, here you go, full body. As y'all can see, to me, it's truly just too small. Like, I'm not gonna lie. It's truly just too small. I cut it too high. You feel what I'm saying? But, like I said, that's what goes into this cropping stuff, you know what I'm saying? I won't say this is a epic fail or nothing like that, cause I can still pull this off. It's not too high, you know what I'm saying? It ain't too crazy where it's all the way up here. Now that's crazy. But like I said, if I layer this right, I can make it look good. You know what I'm saying? That's another thing with cropping your pieces. You mainly do it to make it look like the proportion to look right on your body. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, like I just feel like I cut it too high. The way I wear it, it might appear, yeah, I already know, but the way I wear it, it might look even higher than sometimes, or a little lower sometimes. But I know I cropped this junk a little too high. So, hey, like I said, that's what just go into it, y'all. But yeah, y'all, hopefully this video did help some of y'all. You feel what I'm saying? So I got to show y'all some of the mistakes that do happen. You know what I'm saying? Which some people probably don't show, but I will. You know what I'm saying? But y'all, this is gonna be the end of the video. You feel what I'm saying? I hope y'all rock with the video. I hope I helped some of y'all out for real. You feel what I'm saying? I know y'all probably seen a couple of these videos, probably just in a shorter fashion. But hey, you never know who you can help. So that's why I came up with this video. And it was just a thought, cause I knew I was like, hey, I wanna crop this flannel. Let me see if I can help some others. And to be truthfully honest, y'all, cropping a flannel is just like cropping a shirt or a jacket. You feel what I'm saying? Or a hoodie to be exact. I ain't never cropped a jacket, like a jacket, like a zip up. But yeah, y'all, that will be it for this video, man. Like I said, you feel what I'm saying? I hope y'all enjoyed. You go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I don't think I said that once in this video, but go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully this video wasn't too long, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all get y'all measurements right, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you know exactly how you want it to fit. You feel what I'm saying? Use references of how you feel like it'll look on your body. You feel what I'm saying? If y'all don't already, go follow my Instagram at RockOutChris. I'm on the road to, I'm gonna say 500 right now. The goal is 1,000 before the end of the year. But I'm gonna go ahead and say 500. That's a little short-term goal I'm trying to hit on there. And then also, y'all might see it on my TikTok. You're probably gonna see it on my other TikTok. I think Everyone Hates Chris. I'm at 1,000 on TikTok. Road probably hit 2,000. But yeah, that's really it. That's really it for this video, y'all. Go ahead and subscribe on this. I'm on the road back to 2K. I'm trying to hit 3K, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to hit 2K first, get back to 2K, and then we on the road to 3K for real. But hope y'all enjoy, man. Y'all know what it is. Code the gang, and I'm gone.